Alright guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi and let's do some analysis for the next week. So today is the channel. Let's see weekly time frame. And first you can see this one weekly time frame. So after create a new low around 15,000 almost 200, price will reverse back. Now question is that price will continue toward the upside or price will give a correction. So everybody knows that price never goes like a straight line. Okay, so when here I can say according to price action method, price create a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a lower low, and the price trying to create a new higher high. So this level most important. So as I said earlier, why this level is important? So they form various type of chart pattern. So my previous video I already discussed. So why this level is important? So let me show you. That was a rejection point. Okay, let me show you. Okay, that was a rejection point. Price hit and reverse back, goes up, and multiple rejection, goes up, and it acts as a support. So we anticipating that price will rebounds from this level. And another important level, let me show you here. Let me draw you. Now question is here, most of the people are thinking, hey, can you enter here? It will continue to the upside. So as I say, it never goes like a straight line. It goes like up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. Now last a few weeks we have seen price continuously creating new higher high. So in that case, let me draw a trend line by connecting this swing point. So first this swing point, second this swing point, and the third this swing point. Okay, let me make it a little bit thicker. Okay, now here I can see price hit and reverse back, pull back, hit and reverse back, pull back again, hit and reverse back. Now it's targeting to this level. So we are expecting that price will retest this level around 17,000, I think 700. This is the important resistance line. Now question is that will price hit this level 17,700 by the next week? That is the important thing. So to find out this trend, or if you want to enter here to this up to this level, so we focus on the fundamental news and event. So let me show you first global indices. So global indices are positive. In Nifty, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, all are positive. So means Monday means tomorrow price may give a little bit gap up or something like a little bit bullish. And if you now see the future indices and also are positive, so it is a probability to go up. But if you now see the global calendar, global news, let me show you here. Monday, most important news around 7:30 p.m. US ISM manufacturing PMI report going to release, which is almost, you can see, negative. So if you see the previous data, that was a positive by not exactly positive, that was data was around 53.0, but forecasting it will be decreased by 52.3. So means Monday till European market or often price may give a little bit bullish signal. So I'm expecting the Tuesday price will gap down. So that is the rule. So if you have a position for the long position, so So you just hedge it or you just book your profit. Okay. And the next Tuesday, let's see US market results job opening that was decreasing by previous data was 11.25 million and it's decreasing by 10.99 million. It's expecting, all right, forecasting. We don't know what actual come, but analysts expecting that it will decrease. That is the important thing. Okay. So next Wednesday, next important news, US PMI report, that will be decreasing. Okay, they are anticipating or forecasting, whatever. Okay, so expecting. And the next Thursday, another most important news, not that much important news. Last Friday, US non-farm employment charge, it will be decreased, expecting an unemployment rate also almost no change. But according to fundamental news, we are expecting that all news will be negative. So once the news comes like negative, what going to be happen? So as I said, technically price never goes like a straight line. It will goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, like that, right? So if price pull back, where is the supporting level? Where is the next bullish trend where we can catch the market? So in that case, you have to find out some supporting line. So let me draw a supporting line. Sorry, okay. So and connect the most important level. So this level. So let's just jump to daily time frame. Okay. Now see, so most important trading strategy now. Okay. So all right. So means now you can see price are targeting to the level of 17,700. That is the important level, this one, because it act as a resistance. So when we connect this resistance line, so this is the act as a resistance around 17,700, and we are targeting, we are expecting that price will hit this level, but don't think that next week it will hit this level. By analyzing the global calendar, some negative news are there. So means price goes up like that, it is a probability to pull back. All right. So we know when price, suppose this is the resistance line. So once price break this resistance line, again pull back near this resistance line according to technical analysis. After that price goes up. Now what is the resistance line in that case? Here you can see around 16,750. That is the resistance line somewhere there. Why this resistance line? Because we have seen multiple rejection, and a rejection, and finally price rejection, and finally price broke this area. It's a probability to pull back near 16,700. It will make sense. Okay, so why we are expecting that instead of price continue toward the upside? First condition, price never goes like a straight line. Second condition, once price break this resistance line, again pull back near this resistance line. Now it's becoming a support. And the third condition, according to fundamental news and a global calendar, by observing that next week most of the news are negative. So that is why we are expecting the price may give a correction, but Monday price may give a gap up, and after that price may give a correction. Okay, so that is why. So if so I have some position like long position, so I'll hedge by using option, and once price pull back near this 16,700, I'll reopen and I'll enter new position somewhere here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.